This video will walk you through troubleshooting an F89 error on a SmartPAC 2 integrated with WPC2000 system. F89 and other 80s series faults are all timing faults. All have to do with one or more timing flags overlapping. The auto carry-up flag, the mute limit flag, the top stop flag, and the overrun sensor flag. First, we will find your current settings involved in timing. You must find your option switch 1 and 2 settings, your top stop angle, and your overrun on and off angles. In order to find your option switch 1 and 2 settings, first, put the program/run switch to program. Then, press 1 and clear simultaneously to get to the main initialization menu. Next, scroll down to highlight press control and press enter. Lastly, scroll down to highlight press options and press enter again. This screen shows your 8 option switches. Record the settings for switches 1 and 2. Next, we will find your current top stop angle. With the program switch in the run mode, the stroke select switch in the inch mode, scroll down to highlight press control and press enter. Then, find your top stop angle and record the current setting. Lastly, we will find your current overrun angles. To find your overrun on and off angles, have the program/run switch in the run mode, the stroke select switch in the inch mode. Stroke the press around 1 time, then scroll down and highlight press control, and then press enter. On the next screen, which shows your top stop angle, press F3 to show overrun angles. A window will pop up in the middle of the screen showing your current overrun on and off angles. Record the current on and off angles as well as anything else shown in the pop-up window, as it may be useful info to have as well. Once you have your timing parameters, you then use Table 2-26 from the SmartPAC 2 WPC2000 user manual to find the correct mounting angle for your overrun sensor magnet. For example, you found that your top stop on angle is 340 degrees, which falls in the greater than 301 degrees column in Table 2-26. The correct mounting angle for the overrun sensor magnet would then be 359 degrees. Finally, after your top stop angle and option switches are set correctly, inch the press to the target overrun angle and center your actuator magnet under the magnetic switch. Be sure to leave at least a 1/8 to 3/16 gap between the magnet and sensor. To verify that your overrun sensor is working, you can check the green LED in group 6 on the processor board and verify it turns on when the blue magnet is in front of the sensor. After your magnet and sensor are set, stroke the press in inch and see if the press makes a full cycle without stopping. If so, then turn stroke select switch to single stroke and try to cycle the press. You should be able to get a full cycle without any timing faults. Then, Try continuous. For further assistance troubleshooting this or other fault codes, please call 800-586-8324 and select option 2 for technical support, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. Eastern Time.